We're back again with another Fill the Fridge ball. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's another bottle of water. I guess we'll have a whole case of water in our fridge. What? Oh, Panda Express. Something. Cheesy green rice. Oh, this is, what is this? It's a fruit tray. Fruit tray. Look at all those. Oh, it's another Ramune. This looks original. I think it's original Ramune. That's pretty cool. Oh no. It's a lot of things to do. Pudding dessert. Some old mayonnaise. Mayo. Baskin Robbins. Oreo. I think it's sliced bread. Oh no. Gooey. Let's put it back in the fridge. Let's put some chocolate sauce on it. Ooh. That's probably good. Perfect. I don't know if the fridge was doing it, so. Bon appetit. Doesn't look great, but I made it, so it's special. Thanks, and we'll be back soon with another fridge ball.